Hi guys, my name is Praddy and today I'll be showing you my version of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript Project 2, Flack. So for this project I've created an online messaging service using Flack, similar in spirit to Slack. Users will be able to sign into the site with a display name, create channels and chat rooms to communicate in, as well as see and join existing channels. And once a channel is selected, users can send and receive messages with one another in real time. And finally, I've also added a personal touch to my chat application, which is for my choosing. And for this project, I've enabled local storage as well as using socket.io to allow real-time messaging. Okay, so let's start and run the program. Python 3m flask run. Let's get the URLs. Okay. Let's sign into this first. Flack. So this is Chrome browser here. Let's sign in. And here's the general UI. Nice box, logo, a place to create channels, and this is the area where private messages arrive, which is messages between two different users directly. Okay, let's go and sign in again through this. Let's say user 1. Okay, so here's this. Let's go ahead and create a new channel then. Let's create CS50. Let's create gaming. Let's create shopping, for example. And all of these channels appear. And it also appears directly at the other user's interface as well. Okay. So as soon as a user enters a room, it displays this message, has entered the room. Let's start with general, for example. And let's say, hey, hi, how you doing, for example. Great. You? I'm good, thanks. For example, that's just an example of a chat between two different people. But it's not limited to just two different people. If we go ahead and get another person, for example, let's go ahead and get another person. Let's call this guy user 2. He's able to join this chat too, for example. Let's say, hey, now user 2 is in the chat too. And then product could be like, oh, hi, user 2, for example. But that's just user 2 entering the server, for example. So then if we go ahead and join another channel, it says Prad has entered the room, Prad has left the room, for example, or user 1 has left the room. Okay, so we can simulate another chat here. Hi. Hi again. CS50 Web, for example. Great. Okay, that's just an example chat. Now we can enable more direct messaging by just clicking Prade, for example. Now we're in Prade, we can directly contact Prade. Let's say, hi. See? Now over here, the option of user 1 has come up here, and we can see some messages. Okay, let's say this, hi. Now we can talk directly between two different people. And then let's just say hi. Then this is private messaging. So let's go ahead and go back to the other person who we were using a second ago. And let's say user 3, for example. But user 3 cannot see this private messages between Prade and user 1. So that's what private messaging enables, for example. And let's go ahead and see if we've checked everything on the checklist and the requirements. Display name has been shown. Channel creation, the list of channels. Messages view, within my code, it only enables 100 messages. Sending messages, of course, they can send messages between each other with display name and timestamp. Okay, let me show you remembering the channel then. So if we go to Chrome, for example, let's say we quit this, okay? Let's go and reopen this tab. Let's go to the same URL. It's going to remember my user session and also remembers whatever I had typed and also what the other person had typed too. So everything's open straight away. Okay, let's keep looking at the requirements. Remembering your channel clearly works since it's opened me back on the same channel. And then I've added my personal touch, which is private messaging. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.